welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day. I hope your weekend is going great. Let me know down below what you have planned. It is Mother's Day this weekend, so yay. So as you can see from the description, I have the May 2019 BirchBox. I'm starting to wonder with BirchBox, you guys. I'm going to see what's in here and see what I think, because if you do not already know, BirchBox as of June 1st, pricing is changing. It normally is has always been $10 a month, free shipping, and you receive 5 to 6, deluxe size sample items, which is great, but they are upping their price. And I don't really like when subscription boxes do that. However, they are saying that they are upping their price because they are going to be including higher end brands, I think bigger sizes, more products, faster shipping. So we will see. I know you can actually, I think, still go, and if you go ahead and prepay for a year, you can keep it at $10 a month, which is a good idea. And then if you are new, I think it's going to be $15. If you're an existing BirchBox member and you just continue to stay monthly, or, if you prepay for 3-6 months, I know like mine is going to $13 a month starting in June. So I will leave a link down below if you would like to sign up. I do think that it is a good subscription. It does give you good samples to try different products that you may not find in Ipsy or Allure or something like that. It's just another really good way to try products before you buy them. So let's dive in here and see. The lid says, "Together we are unstoppable." And this says Female Founder Collective and BirchBox. Female Founder Collective, BirchBox. We're thrilled to announce that we've joined the Female Founder Collective, a network of businesses led by women supporting women. Check out their seal on the front of your box. Your box this month is a celebration of these and all powerful female entrepreneurs. That's awesome. Congratulations, BirchBox. All right, so it says we're proud to celebrate and empower female-founded brands. All right, so I'm guessing that all of the items in here are from brands this month that are women-led businesses. So that's really awesome. So it does always tell us here on the back the items that we got and their full-size pricing. So let's take a look. We will peel back the tissue paper here. Oh, there's some paper and stuff. Let's do that. Oh, well, I'm seeing... Okay. So this is what I'm seeing when I look. All right, so there is a sticker in here that says "Stronger Together." And then this says, just for subscribers, with any $35 or more shop purchase, get a free rose quartz facial roller that boosts circulation and reduces puffiness. Awesome. Wish I had done this yesterday, because I literally just ordered their limited edition Summer Forever kit that was like $60 some. So I could have gotten a rose quartz roller. I have a jade roller, but I don't have a rose quartz roller. I wonder if I could email them. I'm going to do that. Okay, so we're going to get into our products. All right, so the first two actually go together, and I'm actually very impressed. Props, BirchBox. This is good, in my opinion. This is a shampoo and conditioner, and I believe that any shampoo or conditioner I've ever gotten from BirchBox before has mainly been in a foil packet. So again, props to you, BirchBox, because these are not foil packets. These are both really good size. They are 1.35 fluid ounces, but that's a good size for shampoo and conditioner. So this is Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture Shampoo, and then the Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture Conditioner. Both, the full size for both is $34. The shampoo, it says, this luxe restorative shampoo visibly improves hair softness and shine while nourishing with a blend of vitamins and caviar extract. And the conditioner says this luxe conditioner is made with a caviar extract rich formula to help treat signs of hair aging like dullness. The result, hair that's more vibrant and bouncier than ever. So I am excited to try these, and honestly, between all the different subscription boxes that I get, getting stuff like this, I haven't had to buy shampoo in months. So I'm going to smell these guys and see what they smell like. They have a safety seal. I'm always afraid if I do it that way, I'm going to squirt it up my nose. That actually smells pretty good. Let me smell that was the conditioner. This is the shampoo. Oh, and I just noticed this will be nice too if I put these in the shower, or even if I throw them in, like, you know, an overnight bag for travel. The shampoo, sometimes I especially have picked up one thinking it was, you know, shampoo and it's actually conditioner, or vice versa. But these, the shampoo has a black lid and the conditioner has purple lid. If I can just remember that. Yeah, these do smell really good. So I'm excited to have those. All right. And then we have, this is another hair care product. Last month was really hair care heavy. But I also got like a Luxie brush, which was a first for me with BirchBox. So I think they are improving, which is good. So if you're raising your price and you're saying you're going to improve, and I'm seeing these improvements, then I think it's fine. I'm fine with an extra $3. So this is from Beauty Protector, Protect and Volume. This is, full size would be $23.50. Along with protecting hair from heat and sun damage, the styling spray amps up volume. Hold the bottle 6 to 8 inches away and spray on damp hair. Blow dry for best results. So there is that. So let's smell this guy. Oh, that smells good. That smells really good. I love leave-in conditioner type, especially ones like this that have like the heat protectant, because I do blow dry and straighten my hair most days. I know you guys have seen my mom bun plenty of times, but I'm trying to get better about actually doing my hair. So I really do enjoy products like this. So I'm glad to have that actually. So 3 for 3 so far. All right. So next we have from Tatcha. There is a sample of the Gia perfume. The full size is $76. It says a whiff of this fruity fragrance with notes of tangerine, Turkish rose, and amber will help you channel your inner creativity. All of that sounds good except the Turkish rose. I don't know what that's going to smell like, and I've said in so many videos I'm not really a fan of rose. The packaging is pretty. And I just got a Tatcha perfume. I believe it was the Cleopatra in a BirchBox. What's BirchBox? In a BirchBox kit that I ordered. And it smells amazing. So let's see what this guy smells like. That actually smells so good. Like, that smells really, really good. Oh, it smells better as it... Oh, that smells so good. So this is the Gia by Tatcha. Oh, that smells so good. Y'all, I might have to see if I can add this on my Scentbird to get a bigger size of this. Oh, goodness. It smells better the more it, like, I move it around with my hands. Alright, so 4 for 4. Yay, BirchBox. Alright, so the next, oh my gosh, you guys. This is like the tiniest. This is by Jane Iredale. Just Kissed Lip and Cheek Stain in Forever Pink. The full size is $28. This multitasking, long-lasting color adjusts to your skin tone on your lips and cheeks for a natural, customized shade. That's interesting and awesome. But you guys, do you see this little, like... like it's... I don't know why I just stuck that in there. Okay, so it's kind of translucent looking. Let's put it on the hand and see what it does. Alright, so I put it right here. So we'll give it a few minutes, see what it does, see if it changes. It's so cute and tiny. Alright, so we have one more product. This is by Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. 24-hour daily lightweight hydrating formula for healthy looking skin with glacial glycoprotein. Full size is $30. Ultra hydrating moisture is rich without being greasy and sinks in without leaving behind any residue. Awesome. Now I'll probably put this to the side for a giveaway just because I have a ton of these little facial moisturizers like this, and I'll just share. So hopefully one of you guys will enjoy this. Didn't it say long-lasting color? It's just not really drying down, and it is very, very light. And it, like I said, it's not drying down. So on the cheek, I really don't know. I wonder if you, and see, it does feel a little bit sticky. But then when I wipe away the stickiness, you can still kind of see some of it. But it did say stain. Okay. So after wiping it away, that is what was left. Alright. So the shampoo and conditioner, yes. The hair leave-in, yes. The perfume, yes. The facial moisturizer, yes. I just have so many of the smaller moisturizers I want to share with you guys. So that's 5 yeses out of 6. The only reason I'm not giving this a yes is A, because it is super teeny tiny. And I'm just not giving this a yes. So, but that's me. But that was my BirchBox for May 2019. Let me know what you guys thought. What did you get in your BirchBox? Are you thinking of getting it? I think their changes are pretty good so far. I'm really liking, like I said, last month I got a Luxie brush, so that's a full size item, and that was more than the cost of the box. So I'm liking the improvements. So I think it's worth it. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already, and make sure to enter the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. It does end on the 15th. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.